Modern eco-homes are more than just architectural trends. They are living testaments to a renewed relationship between humans and the materials that shape their everyday environments. At the heart of this movement lies wood, an ancient, renewable, and deeply expressive medium that, when approached with creativity and respect, becomes more than just a building material. It transforms into a conduit for storytelling, personal expression, and environmental stewardship. The concept of bringing it back to its roots is not simply about nostalgia for a time when everything was handmade. It's about reawakening the creative dialogue between maker, material, and the people who will live with the finished piece. This dialogue shapes not only the physical outcome, but also the emotional resonance that lingers long after a wooden craft is completed and placed in its home. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you a collection of timeless woodcraft design ideas that meet sustainable modern living eco-homes and money-making. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In a world saturated with industrially produced goods, there is something profoundly grounding about knowing that a table, a shelf, a decorative panel, or even a set of hand-carved hooks was imagined, shaped, and refined by someone who worked in harmony with the unique qualities of the wood itself. In modern eco-homes, wooden crafts are no longer just ornamental afterthoughts. They are integral design elements that fuse function, beauty, and sustainability. A handmade wooden headboard might carry the visible grain patterns of reclaimed oak, each swirl a frozen record of seasons long past. A kitchen countertop made from salvaged barn beams tells a story not only through its rugged texture, but through the conscious choice to breathe new life into old material. These pieces invite touch, spark conversation, and often become the most cherished features in a home, not because they are flawless, but because they are alive with character. This is where the modern eco-home mindset overlaps with the craftsperson's intent, to create objects that are as much about human connection as they are about physical utility. The maker listens to the wood, its knots, its imperfections, its bends, and shapes it in ways that highlight rather than hide its personality. The residents, in turn, live with these objects in a way that builds familiarity, attachment, and appreciation over time. The beauty of wood in this context lies in its adaptability and timelessness. While trends in interior design may shift from minimalism to maximalism and back again, the warmth and authenticity of well-crafted wood remains constant. The eco-conscious homeowner understands that investing in handmade wooden elements isn't just a style choice. It's a commitment to durability, sustainability, and the preservation of artisanal skill. Modern eco-homes are inherently about reducing waste and valuing materials, and wooden crafts align perfectly with that ethos. Instead of discarding offcuts or damaged boards, a skilled craftsperson sees possibilities: a set of floating shelves, a sculptural lamp base, or even a whimsical coat rack. Each transformation honors the original resource, extending its life and keeping it out of landfills, while also adding something uniquely personal to the home. For the maker, crafting for modern eco-homes is as much about philosophy as it is about technique. Traditional perfectionism often imposes rigid rules. Every edge must be machine sharp, every surface polished to uniformity. But in the dialogue between eco-conscious design and wooden craftsmanship, there is room for fluidity. A slightly irregular live edge is not a flaw, it is a feature, a way for the piece to retain a direct connection to its natural origin. Likewise, visible joinery is not something to hide. It can be celebrated as a reminder that human hands shaped this work. This openness to imperfection is not about lowering standards. It's about shifting them, recognizing that beauty can exist within irregularity, and that authenticity often trumps uniformity when it comes to creating a lasting emotional impact. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. The people who bring these pieces into their homes are not passive consumers, they are participants in the creative exchange. When a homeowner chooses a handmade wooden coffee table for their living room, they are not simply buying furniture, they are inviting the maker's vision into their daily life. Every time they run their hands across the grain or set down a cup of coffee, they interact with the result of hours of thought, skill, and care. That connection creates a layer of intimacy that mass-produced items rarely offer. Over time, as the wood acquires patina from use and exposure, it becomes even more personal. Scratches and marks aren't seen as damage, but as part of the evolving history of the piece, a visual journal of life lived around it. This approach to wooden crafts for eco-homes also opens new possibilities for collaboration between designers, builders, and craftspeople. Rather than treating furniture and decor as separate from the architecture, they can be integrated into the home's overall vision from the beginning. Built-in benches with storage beneath, custom shelving that follows the natural curve of a wall, or room dividers made from latticed reclaimed timber can all be designed to fit the exact dimensions and atmosphere of the space. This not only maximizes functionality, but also ensures that every wooden element feels intentional and harmonious, rather than an afterthought. The process becomes more like a conversation than a transaction, with each participant, architect, maker, homeowner, adding their perspective to the final result. Modern eco-homes also embrace the idea that wooden crafts can serve as bridges between the indoors and outdoors. Large picture windows framed in hand-finished timber, porch railings made from locally sourced cedar, or garden planters crafted from repurposed pallets blur the line between the home's interior and the surrounding environment. In this way, the wood itself becomes a reminder of the living world beyond the walls, keeping the home in touch with the natural cycles it was built to respect. By incorporating wood that has been responsibly sourced or reclaimed, the maker ensures that the ecological footprint remains small while still delivering pieces that enrich the living experience. One of the most powerful aspects of bringing woodcraft back to its roots in eco-home design is the way it reframes the act of making itself. In an era where speed and efficiency often overshadow quality and connection, the deliberate pace of handcrafting wooden pieces becomes a quiet act of resistance. The maker takes time to study the wood, to feel its weight, to determine how it wants to be shaped. This slower, more mindful process doesn't just result in better work, it infuses the final piece with a kind of quiet integrity that the owner can sense, even if they can't name it. It's the difference between a piece of furniture you use and one you live with. In practice, creating for modern eco-homes is not about following a single style or set of rules, it's about allowing the material and the purpose to guide the design. A reclaimed wood dining table might be left raw and rustic for a farmhouse-inspired home, while a sleek walnut bench with clean lines could be crafted for a minimalist space. The adaptability of wood means that it can complement almost any aesthetic while still retaining its natural warmth and authenticity. This versatility also ensures that wooden crafts remain relevant as design preferences evolve, making them a smart and lasting investment for homeowners. Ultimately, the relationship between maker, material, and resident in modern eco-homes is one of mutual respect and shared purpose. The maker respects the wood, working with its strengths and idiosyncrasies rather than forcing it into an unnatural form. The resident respects the craft, understanding that each piece is more than the sum of its parts. And the wood itself, shaped, polished, and placed with care, respects the home by serving it faithfully for years to come. This circular exchange keeps the tradition of woodworking alive, not as a relic of the past, but as a vibrant, evolving practice that meets the needs and values of the present. In the end, stunning woodcraft ideas for modern eco-homes are not just about design trends or even sustainability metrics. They are about relationships. They are about the relationship between the earth that grew the wood and the hands that shape it, between the vision of the maker and the daily life of the person who uses it, between tradition and innovation. Bringing woodcraft back to its roots is about honoring these connections, making each piece not just an object, but a participant in the ongoing story of home. By keeping this creative dialogue alive, modern eco-homes become more than just places to live. They become living, breathing environments where craftsmanship, sustainability, and human connection are built into every surface, joint, and grain. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked timeless woodcraft design ideas that meet sustainable modern living eco-homes and money-making. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.